Hi, my name is Aurora and I'm with the Customer Success team. Today I'm going to show you how to make a batch call for options prices using our endpoints. To start, I'll go ahead to Intrinio.com, select Documentation, and find our Options Prices Batch Real-Time endpoint. Now this is also able to be used with 15-minute delayed data, and that's what I'll review today. So if we take a look at the documentation, here you can see our endpoint, as well as parameters. Now, you may notice something a little different than most of our endpoints. This endpoint actually allows you to select a request body and enter an amount of options contracts you would like pricing for, instead of just getting pricing for a single contract. Let's see it in action. Today I'm using Postman to test this API endpoint. To start, we will switch our request type to post. We will go ahead and enter the API, although here I've selected my source as delayed. And you can see that right there. Also, make sure to enter your production API key. After that, we will select body, enter a number of contracts that we would like to see information on, and make sure that it is in JSON format. From there, you just select send, and there you go. There's a list of all of the pricing as well as additional information for the 3 contracts I've selected.